Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Indeed job search. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.